What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at the Govee Dreamview. Stay tuned. So I'm improvising right now. My room is getting fixed, so I got to do what I got to do. So we're going to look at this Govee Dreamview. I want a better experience on my TV. I'm gonna show you right now how my TV looks right now. It's pretty plain, but let's go look at it. This is how the TV looks right now. Pretty bland, plain. Has a little LED that only brights that one side, which is this side. So we're gonna make it pop so I could get a better movie experience, TV experience, and all. And I wanted to do it for my kids. They watch a lot of movies upstairs. So let's go back to it and see what we get in the box. So let's open it up. And I apologize once again if it's a little bit shaky, but I'm using one hand. So let me just flip it like this. Let's see. All right, so we got some instruction here. So we got a box with, I guess, the LED. Well, something is in here. So this is gonna be the module. So we gotta calibrate everything. A few user manual. So we're definitely gonna use this. This is gonna be the LED, right? And then this is gonna be, I guess, the corners to wrap around. And what do we have here? In this one box. Also, we're gonna have the little, let me just try to pull it out. Pause. So this is gonna be, it's gonna be behind the TV, so it's gonna capture all the lighting so it could transfer to the LEDs. This box, let's see what we get in this box. Like I said, I apologize about that, but I need to do what I need to do. There's gonna be the power supply on that one box. So we put it to the side. And then this other box, we're gonna get the module. So everything's gonna be connected to here. And then we got the little brackets, 3M brackets. We're gonna clean it up, and then the little corner. So it's gonna be interesting. So I hope you enjoyed this time lapse that I'm about to do. All right, cool. Alright guys, this is the final product. I'll be honest with you, it's well worth it. I just can't wait for my kids to see this. Movie night later on definitely is going to be on point. It brings a more pop to it. I might move this a little bit back so it don't have so much. I got to figure it out, but it's going to be awesome. They're going to enjoy it, definitely. One thing is that if you get in the bar, you might want to have a bigger stand because they need a little bit more distance. I am going to fix it, but it's definitely worth it. They making some burgers. I know y'all hear all that sizzling. Some juicy red bar burgers. Wifey's making it. So I'll definitely, yeah, this is, yeah, it looks good. My kids is gonna definitely enjoy it. It's not gonna be just one simple color. It's gonna be multiple colors. So I'll leave a link down below where you can get it. This is the Govee Dreamview. I'm gonna leave a link down below. And before I end it, if y'all like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. There's the button. And also hit the bell notification. Man, I will gladly appreciate it. It's your boy Cartoon. Peace.